Hello class, how's everyone doing today?
Good.
Can I get 2 claps in the down? Nice, okay. So today I'm going to be teaching you the slope-intercept form equation and how to graph it. So can anyone tell me what the slope-intercept form equation is? Yes, Chris.
Is it x is equal to my plus b?
That's close, Chris. It is y equals mx plus b. Okay? So, can anyone tell me what any of these letters represent? Yes, ma'am.
Is B the y point? Question.
Okay, Matthew. B is going to be the y-intercept of your graph. So if you were to have a graph of a y equals mx plus b equation, your b is going to be where it intercepts with the y-axis. So that's going to be your b point. Okay? Can anyone tell me what the m is in this equation? Yes, Chris.
The slope.
Yes, m is the slope of your equation. Okay? So m is going to tell you basically the direction of your equation, and whether it's going to look like this, depending on what the number is. So the m is going to equal to rise over run. Okay? So I'll go into that more later. Can anyone tell me what y or x is? Yes, Chris.
I know that y is the y point on the graph, and that x is the x point. Very quickly.
So the y and x are going to tell you where one coordinate point is on the graph, okay? So that's basically all you need to know for now when you're graphing. So now we're going to graph an equation, the slope-intercept. Okay, so I'm going to make a new equation now. So, can anyone tell me how to get started?
You start with the y-intercept of 2.
Yes, very good. So the first thing you want to do is plot your b point, which is your y-intercept, okay? So, you're going to have, this is going to be your y-intercept, your b. And can anyone tell me what is the next step in the slope-intercept form? What's the next point we're going to plot, and how do you know how to do it? Yes, Matthew?
Would you do the rise over run thing?
Yes, you're going to use your m, which is this, right? This is your m, and you're going to use rise over run to plot your next point, depending on where your b-intercept starts. So you're going to have rise over run is going to equal to 1 over 2. So knowing that, from this y-intercept point, you're going to rise 1, and then you're going to go run 2 to the right. It's positive. So your next point is going to be right here. Now, knowing this, can anyone tell me what the third point is going to be on the graph? Yes, Chris?
Probably down 2 over 1.
Yes. So now, when you want to switch it, you're going to do the opposite. So you're going to go down 1, so rise 1, and then run to the left 2 points. So it's going to be right there. And generally, when you're graphing a slope-intercept form equation, all you're going to need is 3 points. And you're just going to want to connect them and put arrows at the end to show that the line is going on forever. Okay? So does anyone have any questions on the slope-intercept form equation? Yes, Matthew?
Why does the line go on forever?
Well, it's a linear equation, and since there's no asymptotes, which you'll learn when you're older, there's nothing that is stopping this line from continuing. So it's going to go on and on. It's going to have infinite points in both directions. Yes, Chris?
Is there an easier way to memorize this formula? Like, say, a mnemonic device?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that, Chris. Yes, because I actually made a chant to remember the y equals mx plus b formula, because it's going to be something you're going to be using all throughout middle school and high school. So, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Can I get 2 claps and down? All right. Okay. So here we're gonna go. Here we go. Right. So it's gonna be the YMCA song. Does anyone know how it goes?
Yeah, your YMCA.
Okay. There we go. Right.
Yeah.
All right. Good job. So here's how it's gonna go. Right. Y equals mx plus b. Okay. You're gonna dial it in. So y equals mx plus b. That's what I'm saying.
Y equals mx plus b.
Okay, let's go one more time. slow, right? So
Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b.
Alright, so one time fast, right?
Oh god.
Try to get it, okay?
Oh,
It's
God.
kind of hard to do, right?
Oh, God.
When you get it, okay, here we go. Right?
Y equals mx plus b.
That's what I'm saying now.
Y equals mx plus b.
Alright.